You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the distance between 2 points. The distance between the 2 points is the square root of 697, or 26.401. Let's solve it step by step. Plot the 2 points and calculate the distance using the formula. The coordinates of point 1 are, x1 equals 33 and y1 equals 59. The coordinates of point 2 are, x2 equals 57 and y2 equals 48. D is the distance between the 2 points. First, take the square root of both sides of the Pythagorean theorem. This gives us the distance formula. Plug the coordinates of the points into the formula. x1 equals 33. x2 equals 57. y1 equals 59. y2 equals 48. Calculate the expression inside the parentheses. Simplify numbers raised to exponents. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the distance between the 2 points is the square root of 697, or 26.401.